Starting in iOS 18, you can customize your home screen to place apps and widgets right where you want them, and change their look to match your wallpaper. In this video, I will show how you can do it. From any home screen page you can start. At first, touch and hold home screen. Now hit Edit. When the apps start to jiggle, tap Edit in the top left corner. Here, you can add a widget, customize the look of your home screen, or edit your home screen pages. For now, let's tap Add Widget. Now you can browse or search for a widget to add. Let's tap Reminders. Tap Add Widget to add this to your home screen. You can resize a widget on your home screen by dragging the handle in the lower right corner and drag a widget to a new position. You can also move your apps around to let the subject of your wallpaper shine through. When you're done rearranging, let's tap Edit again and choose Customize to give the home screen a new look. Tap Large if you'd like larger app icons without labels. And to change how icons and widgets appear, you can tap Dark, Automatic, which changes between light and dark based on the time of day, and Tinted. When you select Tinted, you can choose a custom color for supported apps and widgets. First, let's tap the Brighten button to brighten the wallpaper image. To match a color in your wallpaper, tap the eyedropper and then drag your finger anywhere on your screen to find a color, and lift your finger to select it. You can also use the sliders to adjust color and saturation. When you're done, tap anywhere outside the menu. And that's how to make your home screen more personal than ever. That's all today. If you are new to this channel and want to get videos like this regularly, please hit the subscribe and bell icon, then select all option. Thanks for watching.